We are smoking. The last half an hour of that game is why Madrid have a chance pack. Absolutely shambolic last half an hour of a football match. Complete domination for 60 minutes. And then he takes off all of the players that were playing well. Odegaard comes on. Oh dear God. Not Odegaard, it's oh dear God. We're going to need God. We're going to need Buddha. We're going to need Allah. We're going to need everything. We're going to have to pray for Arsenal on Wednesday. Because that game right there that we just witnessed, I was so chilled. Me, Matty, Ola sat on the watch along chilling. Big up to everyone who watched the watch along. Bless up to everyone. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well. We'll be back on there tomorrow for some more footy. Bosh. Emergency meeting in 20 minutes. Kenny Fancam next. I think it's just me and Kenny. I think Jez ain't available this weekend. Can't remember. Either way, Matty's not available. I think Jez is busy. So it's just me and Kenny. And it weren't the prettiest looking game, was it? However, when I see the starting 11, I was like, why is Partey playing? And why is he at right back? Again, another game where Thomas Partey has played right back and we drop points. That's now 11 points dropped in the last 7 games. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Thomas Partey's played about 8 games at right back. I think we've won 1 of them. However, his goal was sick. What a counter-attack. We'll get to that in a sec. I see Declan Rice on the pitch today. Fresh off of the back of his insane free kicks the other day. And again, what a performance from him. He was man of the match. I don't know who actually officially got man of the match. But for me, as much as I wanted to give it to Tierney, because you know I love Tierney, bruv. Get out while you can, Kieran. Get out while you can, brother. Go and win some Celtic titles, bruv. We start doing Celtic watch-alongs, my G. Big up to him. However, Declan was man of the match today. And his face, when they conceded the goal, he was fuming. He was not happy. And rightly so. Saliba and Kivior didn't really have a great deal to do. I think they only had 3 shots, didn't they? Didn't have anything to do. Yeah, Kivior had a bit of a cock up in the first half. Yeah, early on. Other than that, similar to Madrid, actually. Yeah, F1 up. Didn't result in anything. And then after that, superb. Yeah, Saliba driving forward into midfield and onto the edge of their box. Yeah, dominating, marauding centre-back today. Top-class performance. Well done to him. Thomas Partey, what a goal, bruv. What a goal. Defensively, had nothing to do. Yeah, put a chance across the box, headed it back. Yeah, in the first half. And he was quality. Even playing at right back. Left side, Kieran Tierney. The goal was offside. We could all see it was offside. We didn't need semi-automated offsides. It's amazing how it's took that long to put it in the league, though, by the way, because they have that in Spain. And they have done for years. They've had it in other leagues. They have to cause a lot of drama in this league, didn't they? And after watching the games that we watched in midweek in the Champions League, that was like watching paint dry. However, what I wasn't going to get upset about that game because I didn't really care whether we won or lost or drew. Yeah, we ain't winning the league because he's nosed that up already. However, Jorginho, stinker. From the get-go, he was rubbish. Let's just be real with it. He was absolutely awful. I don't know what he was on today. And then he went off injured. How many times do you see in football a team down to 10 men now and had a red card? Well done, Mikel. Cheers, mate. Zinchenko. People know my thoughts on Zinchenko at left back. Zinchenko in midfield showed Martin Odegaard how to play football today. Showed him how to play football. Why did he get subbed off? Why did Tierney get subbed off? What are we doing here? Makes no sense whatsoever to sub them 2 off. They're not going to start on Wednesday. We're at home. We're in complete control of a football match with Brentford offering absolutely nada. Nothing. And you decide to sub them off. Thanks for that, mate. Cheers. Well done, Mikel. Ethan, Didn't think he was great, but again, he should have played the whole 90. Martinelli, didn't think he was great either. Kept falling over. Should have, when the foul happened on him, I can't remember who it was. Was it Agier? I can't remember. I don't think it was, actually. I can't remember who the geezer was. That should have been a red card. Should have been a straight red. Scissor kick from behind, swiped him out. And this is why none of these players that started on Wednesday, apart from Odegaard, for punishment for being shit on Wednesday, getting dog walked by Camavinga, none of the players should have started. Goalkeeper didn't have anything to do, really. But then when he did have something to do, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. He channeled his inner Ramsdale on that one, didn't he? Yeah, what was that all about? What is he doing, bruv? Dives after the... Oh, let me make I'll make it look like I've tried. Get out of here, man. Anyway. Trossard. He played all right as well. Nothing amazing. Him, Martinelli and Ethan weren't great, were they? Let's be real. Let's just be real with it. But substitutes. Ah, dear, oh dear, oh dear. You brought Miles Skelly on. He done all right when he came on. He done all right. He was trying to get forward. Yeah, he blocked a couple of passes that could have been dangerous. Bukayo Saka. It's quite clear he's our best attacking option, isn't it? It's quite clear. He's quite comfortably our best attacking option. And he ain't even fit. Should have scored. Nabbed the ball off the keeper. Should have buried it. Just hit it, mate. Trying to be too flash with it. Didn't go in. He had another one where he was trying to take on the whole team, going from right to left. But again, I don't think he should have been on the pitch. Wrap him up in cotton wool for Wednesday. Mikel Merino didn't do anything really when he came on. Didn't really do a great deal, did he? Let's just be real with it. Let's talk about our captain. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Any coincidence, as soon as this geezer came on the pitch, we looked worse? Like, real talk. Is it any coincidence that as soon as he came onto that pitch, we looked worse? It's actually a shambles how this guy is captain. It's actually embarrassing. The guy hides. He gave the ball to Martinelli and then run away from it. The amount of times he passes the ball and then runs away, doesn't overlap, takes way too many touches, skipping around in a 5-yard space. To pass it backwards. You are shit, mate. $240 a week. You are nicking a fucking living. This guy is nicking a living. How is this guy the captain of my football club? Absolutely embarrassing. Yeah, I don't want to see that geezer start on Wednesday. If he starts on Wednesday, we're down to 10 men instantly. We were playing with 10 men the other day. Yeah, and Declan bailed him out. Yeah, because he is awful. Ederson, Man City's goalkeeper, has the same amount of assists this season in the Prem as Martin Odegaard. What do I know, though? Not like I didn't tell you this 3 years ago. I said he's crap 3 years ago. Oh, you got an agenda. You got an agenda. You got an agenda. Piss off. The guy is a scrub. Worst captain Arsenal have had. I think he's actually been subbed off 58 times for Arsenal in the Premier League. I'm pretty sure that's what I see the other day when I was on Aaron's show. 58 times on the Premier League website. That is actually embarrassing. When would you see Tony Adams or Vieira get subbed off 58 times? Wow. Crazy work, guys. Crazy. This guy comes on and slows everything down. Is it any coincidence, as soon as he came on the pitch, we looked instantly worse, and then they scored? And what did he create? Apart from a mess. The guy is crap. Yurian Timber, fair play as well. He done all right. Nothing amazing. Didn't really have a lot to do because they were crap. Which is why Super Duper Mick, looks stressed. Thomas Partey went down injured. Yeah, I don't know what the injury was. Nobody around him, just went down. Yeah, went straight off. Jorginho went off injured. Pray for Madrid, yeah? All these mouthy fans that have been giving it the Bertie. This manager better not F that up on Wednesday. I swear down. I swear to God, yeah? If he F's that up on Wednesday, leave him in Madrid, take the company credit card off him, cancel his contract, and tell him to make his own way back to England. He better win. Whether it be on the night or over the 2 legs. He better get through. Because I see enough in that last half an hour of that football match as to why everything I've said for 5.5 years on this manager is true in my opinion. He created panic. He created a mess. He threw 2 points away there. His subs were a joke. Leave the lads on the pitch that were playing. If anyone had to come off on performance, it was Jorginho because he was trash. Anyone had to come off to wrap them up in cotton wool, then I'd say take off Declan Rice because he was the best player on the pitch. And that's why he looked so vexed at the end when they scored. Like, it's just jarring. Like I said, I didn't give a fuck about the result, if I'm honest. We ain't won the league, so who cares? League finishes irrelevant if you ain't won it. It's a sport. The aim is to win. If you don't win, you've lost. Doesn't matter where you finish. You've lost. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, nobody cares. Did you win the league? No, you didn't. But to throw that game how he threw that, and for that captain to come on that pitch and do what he did today, unforgivable, mate. Yeah, more and more people are waking up to that geezer. 240 a week. Oh, but he's just come back from it. No, he ain't. He's been back 6 months. Oh, but he's had a baby. Well, he's the only footballer ever to have a baby. I'm sick of the excuses. They better get through. I swear down they better get through. They better get through. Yeah, I swear down. Yeah. Zinchenko, I cuss this geezer all the time. I'm telling you also, play this guy in midfield. Drop that scrub Odegaard and play Zinchenko there. Look how Zinchenko played today. He's got better passing, better link play. Yeah. Doesn't skip around like a fucking retard. It's like he's being electrocuted, Odegaard, every time he gets the ball. Every time he touches the ball, it's like he's being electrocuted. Get out of here, man. Sack that captain. I don't want him in next year. Bye-bye. See ya. Yeah. Pray for Madrid. No. It's pray for Arsenal this week, mate. Laters. What a joke. 60 minutes, I was chill, you know. That last half an hour is exactly why they have a chance to win. Right there. We're out. Kenny next.